From ChatGPT.
Kaya niyo yan.
She's cooking for her family and doing household chores. Because caring for others brought her joy. She showed us what strength, determination,
Family.
and resilience truly look like.
We knew Grandpa would be upset if he found out Balolan, sorry. We knew Grandpa would be upset if he found out Balolan never got mad.
Nakalusot.
Instead, she would cover for us and take it from Grandpa because she knew how much trouble
We will
we
get.
would be in. While Grandpa
Decorated my life. Living and you decorated my life. You decorated my and you decorated my life.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening. And thank you for
My siblings and I live for grandparents. Because of that, Lola was more than just a grandmother. Lola was more than just a grandmother for us. She helped raise us, took care of us, and loved us as we were her own children. When I think about my childhood, so many
Thank you.